Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the AKACIJA Bookshelf. A compact yet spacious 4-tier shelf perfect for any corner of your home or office. With its dimensions of 15.7 by 7.8 by 46.5 inches, this bookshelf is designed to fit seamlessly into smaller spaces while offering generous storage for books, collectibles, and decorative items. The setup is a breeze thanks to the included tools and instructions, plus an anti-tilting tool for added stability. Crafted with a high-quality metal frame and particle board, each shelf can support up to 30 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability for all your essentials. The elegant fusion of metal and wood brings a modern touch to any decor, making it a versatile choice for families, students, and office users alike. The bookshelf's reinforced wooden backing not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also prevents small items from falling through. Easy to maintain, this sturdy bookcase features non-slip, anti-scratch feet, ensuring it remains a lasting addition to your space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.